Hi, are you worried about going live on your Facebook page? Are you worried about using live video to promote your agency? Well, I'm going to give you a really simple formula. Take 5 to go live so that you can do some fantastic live videos just like we do in our agency, Ashdown Jones. Okay, very quickly. Number 1 is always use a tripod. I'm actually making this video right now with my phone on a tripod. It's nice and steady. No matter how still somebody thinks that they are holding a phone, they're never still. It is always going to be jerky. So make sure you either put your phone on something, maybe stand it up with some blue tack or duct tape, or put it on a tripod is even better. Number 2, you need to face a light source. Now actually, this room that we're in here isn't great for light. So we've got a secondary light source here. I've got some strip lights overhead, and then we've controlled the light coming through the window by putting the blinds down. It's much better if you can just face a light source. So one solution that would actually address both these two at once is if you got one of those holders for your phone that you can get off Amazon that you can stick to maybe a window. So then you could stick it to, it's usually for cars, stick it to a window, and then you're facing the light source and your phone's nice and still at the same time. So that would solve both those two problems in one go, and they're about £10 from Amazon. Number 3 is to have prompts. So a whiteboard may be behind the phone or your camera, or somebody holding a piece of paper to give you some prompts, maybe some bullet points. No more than about 3 to 5 for about 3 minutes. That's plenty, just to give you a little bit of a prompt about what needs to come next so you don't lose your train of thought. Number 4 is be you but more. Now those people who know me know I am quite an animated person anyway, but if you sit really still and you talk as you normally talk, you're going to be much more diminished on video. So you can use your arms, you can project your voice, you can make sure that your facial expressions are slightly more animated than they would normally be, and you will just come across as being perfectly normal on video. It might feel a bit strange at first, maybe practice in front of a mirror, but honestly, it's worth it. The number 5 is go live and have fun. Maybe just 3 to 5 minutes, that's all you need, but just try and enjoy it, try and relax into it. Once it's live, you know, people don't actually mind if you make a little mistake or you drop something or you laugh in the wrong place. People don't mind that at all. In fact, actually going live on your Facebook page can show a more human side of you. So don't try and make it too slick. Just be you, but more. Okay, this is me, Sam Ashdown. If you're not following me in these places, please do. So that's Marketing Magic on Facebook, Marketing Magic on YouTube, Sam Ashdown on LinkedIn, and of course go to samashdown.co.uk where I share every week a fantastic blog packed with tips like these and more. See you soon.